Okay, now we've got smart preview going, follow mode. And here we go. Ready to take off? All right. Now it's going to follow me. Yeah. I don't run very often, but maybe this is new. And then you can be like, stop. Okay. Oh my God. I totally ran for this thing. Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. That's why I wanted like tons of room. Oh my God. This is crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Ah! Okay, but I can land it. Dang, that was nuts. But if I go towards it, it doesn't back up. It only follows me one direction. Whoa. All right. I haven't run even that much in a long time. Cool, cool, cool. All right, we're gonna land this thing.